Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up ads on TikTok so you can start reaching your audience and growing your brand like a pro. First, you'll need a TikTok Ads Manager account. Head over to the official TikTok advertising page, sign up with your email or phone number, and verify your account. After that, fill in your business details like your company name, industry, billing info, and time zone. Once TikTok approves your account, you'll land on your dashboard, ready to launch your first ad campaign. Next up, let's talk about the TikTok Pixel. This small code snippet helps track actions on your website, like where users came from or what device they're using. You can create and install it through the Ads Manager under the Events section. If you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or Google Tag Manager, it's even easier with built-in integrations. Once your Pixel is set up, it's time to launch a new campaign. In the Campaigns tab, click Create and choose between Basic and Advanced modes. Basic is ideal for beginners and walks you through setting your advertising goal, audience, budget, and ad creation. If you're more experienced, Advanced mode gives you more control, like naming your campaign, setting a budget, and enabling campaign budget optimization or split testing. Now, let's create an ad group. This is where you'll define key details, like where your ad should send traffic either to your website or your app. Then choose your ad placement. You can let TikTok automatically place your ads for maximum reach, or manually choose where they appear, including TikTok and its partner apps.time to define your target audience. Narrow it down by selecting demographics like age, gender, location, and even behavior or device type. So the more specific, the better your results. Now, set your budget and schedule. Choose between running your ads all day or during specific time slots. You can also decide between a daily or total campaign budget. For optimization, choose whether to focus on clicks or views. TikTok will show your ad to the people most likely to take that specific action. If you're optimizing for clicks, you can also set a cost cap. Finally, it's time to create your ad. Upload your video, write your ad copy, choose a call to action, and review everything one last time before hitting publish. And that's it, your TikTok ad is live and ready to get results. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. And drop a comment if you've got any questions or want tips on optimizing your ad performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.